So maybe you've heard about AcuEnergetics because we've been in the media a little bit lately, but perhaps what you're wondering is what AcuEnergetics actually is.
AcuEnergetics is a treatment modality that works with the bioelectrical system of the body. Basically, we remove blockages to promote better and faster healing.
So AcuEnergetics practitioners treat quite a wide range of conditions, from chronic pain, back, neck and knee pain, migraines, to organ problems, anxiety and depression, even fertility. And we actually have practitioners all around the world.
We've been teaching this for nearly 20 years, and it's something that you can learn. And there's a weekend workshop coming up in your area in the next few weeks.
So the weekend workshop is called Level 1 Skills for Living, and it's lots of fun. And in it, we teach you the foundations of AcuEnergetics and how we treat. So you're going to learn about how to feel the electricity in the body so that you can heal pain and illness. And we also teach you about the mind-body connection, how stress affects the body and how that impacts the electrical system, as well as some simple meditation techniques to help you feel better and heal faster, as well as a whole lot of other things. It's lots of fun. So if you're interested in hearing more about this, check out the link below, find out more about Level 1 and get in touch with us if we can help with anything more, or you can just book online.
We'd love to see you there. See ya.
See ya.